In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve your gain issue. It says close programs to prevent information loss. So this could generally be a sign that your paging file is not big enough on your computer and your system perhaps is not automatically able to adjust the size of such file. You want to open up the start menu, just left click on the start button one time. You want to type in run. Best match to come back or run. Left click on that one time. Now you want to type in system properties advanced, exactly how it appears on my screen, no spaces. So again, system properties advanced. So I actually had to spell properties correctly there. So systems SYSTEM, properties PROPERTIES, advanced ADVANCED. Not the easiest thing to spell, but we're going to have that in here. So then we're going to left click on OK. If you typed it in correctly, you should get this new screen that says System Properties. You want to go ahead and left click on the Advanced tab if it doesn't automatically open it up direct. And then once you've done that, you want to go ahead and left click on Settings right there. Now that we are on this screen, you want to go ahead and left click on the Advanced tab. And then left click on the Change button right down here. So underneath the virtual memory, you want to go check mark the box that says automatically manage paging file size for all drives, and then left click on OK to save the change. So perhaps this is uncheck marked here. You want to make sure you have it checked. And then proceed to left click on OK. It's going to say the changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. Left click on OK. I would suggest restarting your computer after closing out of any open programs or applications, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.